As we are about to start our class, be with us, Satleen, so that we may understand and learn whatever our teacher is going to teach us. Lord, bless our teacher also, so that she may explain the Amen. Everybody sit comfortably, relax yourself. Everybody relax yourself. Sit in comfortable posture. Sit in comfortable posture now. So, everybody can hear me? Everybody can hear me? Yes, I am audible. Okay. So, yesterday in our class we have done no talking, please. No talking with parents. Listen carefully. Parents, don't talk to them. Yesterday we have done abacus and finger gym. Abacus was just like a revision and finger gym was also revision. So everybody keep your video on. Everybody keep your video on and open page number 42 of your English book. First we'll do English, thereafter I will give you a quick revision of abacus also. In page number 42 of your English book, you can see there are two pictures. One is of giraffe and number two, second is of lamb. Number two, that is second. You know, second is an ordinal number. Second is of lamb. Now we are asked to write sentences about these animals. Now we are asked to write sentences about these animals. Now you see, okay, I will share the screen with you. In your book you can see that there are words in yellow box. Everybody has opened the book. I hope everybody has opened the book till now. Now look into the yellow box. Look into the yellow box and read the words with me. Till I open my page, you read the words with me. I am going to read. I want you to repeat after me. I am going to read and I want you to repeat after me the words given, helping words given in the yellow box. We will move from up to down. First one is wool, W-O-O-L, wool. First one is wool. Second one is jungle, Jungle, jungle. Third one is long neck. Long, page number 42. Long neck. Thereafter, when we move down, next is domestic. Next is domestic. And the next one is leaves. Next one is leaves. And the last one is lamb. Last one is lamb. So wool, let me explain to you all these words before we start our composition with using these words. Wool. Wool, everybody wears sweaters during winters. All these sweaters are made of wool. All these sweaters are made of wool. So we get wool from sheep and sheep's babies, lamb. Next is jungle, forest, where the animals live, wild animals live. Next is long neck. My God, long neck. You can see the picture of the giraffe. Is anybody like us, me or you or anyone family member, is anybody having such a long neck? No, giraffe is having a long neck. Domestic. Domestic, you have studied about animals, pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals. Domestic animals are the animals. Domestic words come for animals specially. First, here I will use for animals. Domestic animals are those who help us in our home, those who help us in our work, those who give us something, those who give us something. Or we can say, we keep these animals in farms, like cow, horse, this one, lamb. So all these are domestic animals. They help us, they give us something. So these are domestic animals because they live in our home with us, but in the farms, not in a room, but in farms. Leaves, everybody knows leaves, green leaves. And lamb is the baby of sheep. Lamb is the baby of sheep. But first, first we'll learn about giraffe. Number one is giraffe. So we are told to write here, name these animals, write 2 sentences to describe them. Now you see, they have told us to write 2 sentences, but they have given 4 lines. Who is this? Aruhi, what happened to you? Aruhi, what happened to you? So we have to write here. I am going to explain to you more than 2 sentences. First of all, we have to write the name of the picture. Which picture is this? This is the picture of giraffe. So we'll write here, this is a giraffe. We'll write here, this is a giraffe. I'm explaining to you, but I have made the compositions in my notebook. After the class, I will send to you. I will send to you in the snap homework. Please check there. So this is a giraffe. Now the helping words that are given to us, we have to use for it. So we'll write, it lives in jungle. It lives in jungle. Everybody knows it lives in jungle. Okay. We will write it lives in jungle. Next sentence, number 3, will write, it has a long neck. Among these 2 pictures, in dono pictures mein, who has the long neck? Giraffe. So we'll write, it has a long neck. It has a long neck. Then next we'll study, write about it. What is it eating? Leaves. We'll write, it eats leaves. It eats leaves. Okay. I hope this much is understood to you. This is a giraffe. It lives in jungle. It has a long neck. It eats leaves. Okay. Now we'll move to number 2. Our number 2 is a lamb. Okay. So I'll write, this is a lamb. This is a lamb. So I'll take the helping words from this helping box. This is a lamb. So jungle and long neck we have done. जो हम कर लेते हैं उसको tick कर देना. Okay. Now we'll move down. It is a domestic animal. It is a domestic animal. मैंने आपको पहले बताया, I've already told you, the animals that live in the farms, that help us, that give us something, are domestic animals. Are domestic animals. Now next we have to write more sentences about it. So what does it give us? First one is top. It gives us wool. It gives us wool. Right? Now we have to tell what does it eat? You know, this one lamb is also eats plants, leaves. So we'll write, it eats plants. We can write it eats leaves. We can write green grass. We can write plants. So about lamb also, this is a lamb. It is a domestic animal. It gives us wool. It eats leaves, plants, grass, anything we can write. Okay. One more sentence we can add here. It is the baby of sheep. But there is no need to write such words, so I did not write here. I won't suggest you. But if you forget, agar aapko bhi bhul jaye, to you can write, it is the baby of a sheep. Fine. I'll read once again very quickly. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. It lives in jungle. It has a long neck. It eats leaves. Now I'll talk about lamb. This is a lamb. It is a domestic animal. It gives us wool. It eats plants, leaves, grass, etc. Anything we can write. Okay. Now I'll move to the next page. This is a reading exercise. We have to differentiate between the words starting with FR and FL. I want you to read with me these words. First, read the question with me. Read these words aloud. Aloud means जोर से. Stress on the FR and FL sounds. Stress on the FR and FL sounds. When you will read them, you have to stress on the FR and FL sounds. Okay. So I'll try to read with the spelling. FRILL, frill. Please repeat. FRILL, frill. Next one is FROCK, frog. When you say frog, you will say frog, fr, stress on fr, frog. Okay, move to next. FRESH, fresh. फ्रेश, जोर से बोलना है, लाउडली, फ्रेश। FRESH, fresh. Okay, move to next. Move down to next one. Where are the parents? FRAME, frame. FRAME, frame. Now next, I will not read the spelling now. FREE, free.
FREE free.
FREE, free.
FREE free.
Next one is fruit. Next one is
Fruit.
fruit. Move to next. FLAT, flat.
FLAT flat.
FLAT, flat. FLAT, flat. FLAT, flat. Now move to the next word. This is a long word, so everybody will read the spelling with me. We will break the spelling and read. We'll break and read the spelling. FLAMINGO, flamingo. FLAMINGO, flamingo. Next one is FLAME, flame. FLAME, flame. Next one is, move down, FLOAT, float. FLOAT, float. Float. Next one is flag. Next one is flag. And the last one is fly. Last one is fly. Now you see the difference between the pronunciation of the words starting with FR and FL. Let me unmute myself 1 minute. Sorry, I was having irritation in my throat. Now move down. There is a picture of hippopotamus. As the big animal, as the big is its name. We have to make as many words from its name. First of all, before reading the words written by me, please read the name of the animal with me. HIPP, HIPPO, POT, AMUS. HIPPO, POTA, MUS, hippopotamus. See, this is an activity. Moreover, it is a brain opener. You can tickle your brain and make many words, but I have made a few words. P-O-T, pot, T-O-P, top, H-I-P, hip, P-O-P, pop, U-P, up, U-P, up, T-I-P, tip, T-O-M, tom, M-A-T, mat. But you need not to repeat after me. I will send you this PDF. M-A-T-H, math, H-O-T, hot, S-U-M, sum, M-O-P, mop, P-O-P, pop, and P-U-T, put. I hope all understand. All these words I have made from this. I had made many more words, but I rubbed them. So I had made many more words, but I rubbed them now. I have kept only a few words that are very small. So with this, we complete this chapter. If you cannot cook, this one is over. But I want to share with you. I will send you a composition to be written as a my mother. You have to write a composition on my mother. Now listen very carefully. Everyone's mother is different. Everyone's mother is unique. Some mothers are working at home. Rishita is in her UKG uniform. Wanted to wear uniform. So somebody's mother may be tall. Somebody's mother may be short. Somebody's mother is working at home. Somebody's mother is teaching her. Somebody's mother is cooking. So some common functions are there that I will mention. I will write a composition and send to you. But now listen, you have to make changes according to you. You have to make changes accordingly. Like I will write my mother is very beautiful. You will all write my mother is very beautiful. I will write my mother has long hair. So those whose mothers don't have long hair, they will write my mother has short hair. So my mother's cooks very tasty food. Somebody's papa also cooks food, na? So they will not write my mother cooks very tasty food. So they will write my mother helps me in studies. My mother teaches me. My mother keeps me ready for school. My mother goes to office. My mother goes to bank. So my mother is a homemaker. So different sentences are there. I will try to write 10 sentences. You can write any 5 according to your choice. You can write any 5 sentences according to your choice. Am I clear? I will send sentences, 10 sentences. You have to write only 5 sentences as per your comfort and convenience and as per your need. Okay? So, English chapter, English I've completed now. Okay, just Simrat's mother is saying, okay. So, now I will switch to abacus. On 25th August, you have your abacus exam. On 25th August, you have your abacus exam. I want to give you a revision of the same paper. Of the paper, I'm not same paper. I'm going to give you the revision of the paper of the subject. I want all of you to keep your video on. I'm coming to see you. Everybody. Okay, I'll unmute you all. First of all, I need to unmute you all. I have unmuted all of you. Please get unmute. Please get unmute. I'm not going to call anybody's name. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ananya, please be quiet. I will ask questions random to everybody. and everybody has to respond. Parents, please take care if your child is responding correctly or not. Please take care if your child is responding correctly or not. Please check your child's response and help your child to understand. Now everybody raise your right hand's thumb. Everybody raise your right hand's thumb. Now tell me, thumb only thumb. What is the value of this thumb? What is the value of this thumb? Manvi, hand put on your notebook and show me. Speak, everybody. Okay. My next question is, everybody raise your index finger. Everybody raise your index finger. What is the value of your index finger? Say, don't open your books. Don't open your books. I have told you to give me answers. Speak and give me answers. Satlin and Sablin, please unmute yourself. Okay. Now raise index finger and middle finger. Raise index finger and middle finger. What is the answer?
Index finger or middle finger, please.
When you raise index finger and middle finger, what is the
Index
answer?
and middle finger.
2. Very good. Answer is 2. When you raise index finger and middle finger, answer is 2. Now raise index finger, middle finger and ring finger. Now what is the answer? 3. Very good. Myra Thomas has given the answer. I can see her face. Many others have also given, but I could see her face. I'm telling. Now raise all the 4 fingers. Raise all the 4 fingers. What is the answer? Raise all the 4 fingers. What is the answer? Not 3, it is 4. It is not 3, it is 4. Very good. Those who are saying 4, it is good. But 4 fingers, answer is 4. When the fingers are 4, answer is 4. Not 4 plus, Dishita, not 4 plus, it is 4. Now moving to the next girls. Marie, you are not listening. Again, raise your thumb.
Don't touch.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Again, raise your thumb. Close the fist. Close the fist. I can't see your fist. Show me your fist, everybody. Bring your fist before the camera. What is the value of this closed fist?
The value is
Very good. Oh, very good. Value of closed fist is 0. The value of closed fist is 0. Now raise your thumb. Again, raise your thumb. Once again, raise your thumb. What is the value of this thumb? One girl is shouting, 3 girls. Simrat, you are not speaking. Yes. What is the value of their thumb? 5. Now, along with the thumb, keep your thumb high. Raise your index finger. Raise your thumb and index finger. Raise your thumb and index finger. What is the answer? 6. Very good. 6. What is the answer? 6.
Yeah, no,
Very good.
1 plus here to.
Now once again, raise your Middle finger also. Now raise your middle finger also. Many dots your thumb. Your index finger and middle finger. What is the answer? 7. What is the answer? 7. Very good. Very good. I am getting number of answers. Now, raise your ring finger also. Now raise your ring finger also.
Ring finger. निकालो ना देख.
Raise your ring finger also. What is the answer? 8. Very good. Now raise thumb. Now raise thumb and all the fingers. Now raise thumb and all the fingers.
9.
Very good. What is the answer?
9.
Now everybody clap for yourself. Everybody clap for yourself. Yes, you remember Amira Thomas is clapping. Many girls are clapping. Very good. All are clapping. All are clapping. Very good. So now we'll move to abacus scale. Now we'll move to abacus scale.
On your class
Aruhi
going
Bandral, I can hear you. You are speaking loudly on mic. Put on your mic, Aruhi. Aruhi Bandral, put on your mic. Now, any student wants to ask me anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you know the use of abacus scale? Okay. What is the shape of? Oh no. What is the shape of rectangle? Sorry. What is the shape of abacus scale? Very good. Rectangle. Now tell me.
What?
What is the other name of upper beach? What is the other name of upper beach? Heaven beach. Very good. What is the other name of lower beach? Lower beach. Very good.
Hello, good morning,
How
ma'am.
many rods are there?
For you.
Aruhi Bandral, I am teaching. How many rods are there in the scale?
13.
Very good. Now give me one more answer. What should I ask you now? I will ask you one more question. What is the value of upper bead in the ones line?
5.
Oh my God. How many beads are there in the lower part? No, not 5. 4. Very good, very good. Everybody clap for yourself now.
Clap yourself.
Everybody clap for yourself now. So, on Monday we'll again have English class. Tuesday you have abacus exam. Do well, prepare all the material that videos I have sent to you. Hey, beta, you have class at home only. Yes. Yes, who is asking me?
She asking me.
Yes. Yes, Samira Thomas, I can hear you. Speak.
हमने मंडे को स्कूल आना है
नहीं बेबी अभी नहीं. You will not come to school.